Hey yo, welcome back to itslaroneppl, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick pro tip on having a more refined look when you're doing some of your basic styling. For this video, I braided my hair up, and I did it how I kind of see other people kind of wearing it, which I feel like just having like this little extra end piece. I'll try to zoom in as much as I can. Like you could go a step further and make this a more refined, polished look. And all you really have to do that, to accomplish that, is to braid down as much as you can if you're doing this yourself. If you're a stylist and you're not already doing this, braid the hair all the way to the end, and when you get to the end, hold it back up and then do it. So what I'm going to do is time lapse this really fast. I'm going to do a few right now, just braiding all the way down to the end, just to show you kind of a before and after, just kind of so you can see the difference and why this is a pro tip and how it could take the execution of your look to the next level. So enjoy. Alright, so this is a side-by-side comparison. You got this way, and this looks like, you know, the braid is good, but the end looks, But then you go over here, the end looks, you know, more refined, more polished. It looks like, you know, you probably went to somebody to go get it done. And it's just an overall, in my opinion, cleaner look. Alright, so check it. You may get to the end of one of your braids, and we all go through this and come across this, to where the hair just doesn't, you know, equal up. So as you're braiding down, like, and you see one of your plaits or one of your twists is starting to look like it's not gonna make it all the way down, do your best to take the longest one from the bunch and add it to that short pile and keep braiding down, and you can get all the way to the end like that, and it'll be like that, and then just twist them together, fold it up, got you like a little ball, and apply your rubber band. Alright, so fam, there you have it. That's my pro tip for this video. And go ahead and try that out. Like, in the beginning, I know, like, it seems like a lot, and it's hard because, you know, no three locks are the same, or no lock is the same as another, so it's never gonna be, you know, the same getting it all the way down. But do as much as you can to try to braid it all the way to the end, to twist down all the way to the end, and it makes the world of difference, and it's definitely worth it in the end. Like, as you can see from the comparison pictures, that it truly does, you know, make a big difference and looks like a completely different style. Go ahead and take this pro tip into consideration when you're doing your next braid out, your next twist out, your next anything. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found anything useful about this pro tip, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Go ahead and let me know by liking this video. And if you feel so inclined, go ahead and share this video on your social media, like with your friends. You know, tweet it, you can add me. My handle's the same. itslaroneppl. You can hit me up on Instagram if you have any other questions. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I don't know why you wouldn't get subscribed yet. I mean, like, I'm giving you quality stuff, right? No? Answer that in the poll right there. Do you find this stuff of quality, the information, the content that I'm bringing you? Answer in the poll. Please answer the polls. Thank you. I appreciate you. Hit the notification bell for those that are subscribed. Until next time, be easy.